This peach pound cake is a flavor explosion and the perfect dessert for a summer get-together. The chopped peaches in the cake add texture, and the tartness balances the sweetness of the cake. The fruit also keeps the cake super moist. The cake is dense but a little fluffy too, and the peach glaze is not too sweet and provides even more peach flavor. Serve with ice cream or whipped cream and you will be in heaven. First, combine your dry ingredients, 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of table salt. Whisk and set aside. In a large bowl, cream together 2 sticks of softened butter with 2 cups of white sugar until light and fluffy. Add 4 eggs, one at a time, beating each only until the yolk is no longer visible. Periodically scrape the sides of the bowl. Mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, now sift in the dry ingredients and with a spatula or wire whisk, mix gently. To 2 cups of chopped peaches from about 5 small peaches, toss with a 1/4 cup of flour. Fold the peaches into the batter. Spoon batter into a greased button pan that's covered in a tablespoon of sugar. Spread batter evenly and bake in a preheated 325-degree oven for around an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. Leave cake in pan for 10 minutes before turning it over on a cake stand to cool completely. After an hour, make the glaze by pureeing 5 small peaches and adding them to a saucepan with a 1/4 cup of sugar. Bring the mixture to a simmer. Mix together a tablespoon of cornstarch and a half cup of water until smooth. Pour the slurry into the peach sauce and cook for a few more minutes. Spread the glaze on the cake. Slice and serve. Enjoy.